What's up, guys? Welcome back to another new video. Over the last, I think it was like 4 days. Over the last 4 days, I've been using Just Play on and off, and I just wanted to share with you guys how much I made within the last couple days. Keep in mind, I have not used it like all the time. I just used it off and on to earn the coins on there every once in a while, and so every day my cash has stacked up. So I just want to share with you guys how much I did earn within those 4 days, and I want to share with you guys just some tips and tricks for you to be able to cash out every day and make a little bit of money every day. And yes. So there is a like goal thing that you need to meet every day for you to cash out, but I do not know what happens if you don't meet that goal. I'm suspecting if you don't meet that goal for whatever reason, say you get like 1,000 coins and your goal is like 2,000 coins, and you don't reach the other 1,000 coins that you need, I'm suspecting that you just don't cash out, or it either resets it to 0, or however many points you have at that moment when the cash out time is up, it just figures out how much money that converts into, I think. So the first game I'm gonna tell you guys about that's on Just Play is Word Cooking. Word Cooking is pretty much a game where you it gives you like 3 letters and you try to make words out of it, and each new word that you create equals 1 coin. And I found out that this game is kind of slow, to earn coins. And the slower you earn coins, the slower it's going to take you to earn your money every day. So Word Cooking is okay to play on Just Play, but if you're like specifically wanting to earn a lot, this game is not it. The next game I'm going to tell you guys about on Just Play is called Logic Blocks. And on Logic Blocks, you pretty much match number blocks up in columns and rows, and every time you complete a puzzle, it's 10 coins per puzzle. So this game is really good to earn coins, because watching videos on the app will give you 50 coins. And so each puzzle that you complete on Logic Blocks is 10 coins. So 5 puzzles on Logic Blocks will equal to watching 1 video. So it's not too bad. It does help you earn a little bit. It is one of the top games that I do play, and it's recommended if you want to earn the most money for that day. This is one of the games that you should play. So the next 2 games I'm about to tell you about, they are more of a long-term earning. They're like long-term earning games. And the first one is Grind My Gears, and pretty much it's like a mining game, and all these stones and rocks and gold blocks fall between these 2 things that spin, and pretty much it grinds all the blocks, and the blocks earn you money within the game you level up by earning money within the game. Each level is worth 10 coins. So every time you complete a level, it gives you 10 coins on Just Play. The next game is called Idle Emojis, and every time you unlock a new emoji on the game, it gives you 10 coins. So, like I said, over a long period term, if you keep coming back to these games every single day, these games are idle games. So these games will play in the background while you're not playing. So these games are good for earning, like long-term wise. Say say you check it like once a day and you only get on once a day. Well, that in-game money builds up on those games, and you could then spend that money every day. And like on idle emojis, I usually get on once or twice a day, and I'll buy new emojis on the game with the in-game money. And every time you get a new emoji, it's 10 coins. So that's another good way to earn long-term wise. The next game I'm about to show you guys is called Trivia Million, and pretty much it's like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? So if you know how to play that game, this game is pretty simple. Pretty much all you do is answer questions, and when you give a right answer, it gives you 1 coin per correct answer. So this is a real slow earning game, and it's probably not going to get you where you need to be with your goal. But like I said with the other word cooking game, it's kind of slow. So if you're trying to earn the max amount of money for that day, this game is not it. And the last game that I'm going to tell you guys that I play on Just Play, it's called Raccoon Bubble. And in my very first Just Play video, I talk about this game. And this game is the game that I started playing when I first started Just Play. And each level that you pass is 10 coins. So each level is different, and so you have to collect so many different things, so many different raccoons, I'm pretty sure. And so they take different amounts of time to earn, to complete the level, to earn the coins. So this game is good, but once you get further and further in the game, it's going to get slower and slower to earn coins. And so by playing this game, it's a good game to start out with. That's why I told you guys that you should play this game and watch videos at the same time to earn coins. But once you progress in the game, it's going to get harder and harder to earn coins. Other than those games that I play on Just Play, I pretty much just watch the videos. I watch the ad videos every 2 minutes. I click it, watch it, and then I wait for the timer to count down. It pops up again. I click it, I watch it, and I just do this often, on and off all day long. And so you have 24 hours until you can cash out. So I recommend just watching the most ad videos that you can on Just Play, because they're 50 coins per video, and the videos are like maybe a minute long, and then you gotta wait 2 minutes to watch a new video. So there's like 3 minutes and you get 50 coins. It's not bad. So if you're doing it off and on all day long, those coins are going to add up. And when those coins add up, you can cash out. So that's pretty much what I do to earn coins. I noticed that the goal kind of changes every day, and like yesterday, my goal was 2,300 coins. So I met that goal with like 4,000 coins. And today, my goal is 2,050 coins, which is lower than my goal, um, lower than the goal that I had yesterday, which is not bad. Um, so right now, I'm just gonna show you guys where I'm at and how much I earned over the period of 4 days playing off and on. And I'm gonna cash out again, and I'm gonna show you guys another payment proof. Yeah. So by using Just Play and earning off and on every single day, and using these other apps that I showed you guys on my channel, by using all of these apps together every single day, you have a chance to earn quite a bit of money. And you know, with Big Token, I made over $200. I still have over $200 on my Big Token account, and I've just been cashing out $15 a week. So by using all of these apps together, and pretty much you're multi-apping. So by using all of these together, it earns quite a bit of money, you know, just for playing games and watching videos. And I'd really would recommend it. I just wanted to make this part 2 video to the Just Play review video that I dropped. Wanted to clarify some things, give you guys some tips and tricks on what to do and how to earn. Pretty much that is all the tips and tricks I have for Just Play. That is how I earn. And that's pretty much all that I'm gonna do for the Just Play. I probably won't be making any more videos. I just wanted to show you guys how I do things, and maybe you guys could use the same techniques to earn. But so further in the week, I'm going to be dropping more earning videos for you guys. And today, this is all the time I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys watch this video and then go on Just Play and start earning that money, and try to reach the highest goal that you can reach today. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking my videos, commenting on my videos. I appreciate you guys so much. Peace. See you in the next video.